Hi guys, my name is Rishi and you guys are watching AutoTech review. Today I've got something really special for you guys. This is the brand new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350 with the night package, a car that many call a mini S-Class. This car has been the heart of the Mercedes lineup for a long time, but with the latest model, Mercedes is taking its legacy to a whole new level. The design is sharper, sportier and more modern than ever, with the bold LED lights and a front end that instantly grabs attention. Inside, it's pure class, a high-tech digital cockpit, luxurious seating and the premium materials everywhere you look. But this A350 isn't just about looks. It's powered by a smooth turbocharged engine that balances the efficiency and luxury performance. So now let's take a closer look at what makes this new 2026 E350 one of the most exciting luxury sedan of the year. Before we start the review, I want to give a huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz Brampton and Pankaj for providing me this all new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350 with the night package to do a review for you guys. If you are in the market looking for a Mercedes, do check them out. You can contact Pankaj directly. I'll mention his name and number in this video. Now, let's start the review. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what you are getting under the hood for this all new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350. This E350 is powered by a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. On its own, the engine produces about 255 horsepower and 295 Nm of torque. But thanks to that electronic motor, you can get an extra 23 horsepower whenever you need it. It's mated to a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission delivering a seamless gear changes. In most markets, it comes standard with the Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. If we talk about fuel economy, this sedan gives you about 10 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and about 7.2 liters on the highway. So this is a luxury sedan that gives you both performance and practicality. After telling you about the engine specification, let's go to the back and see the boot space that you are getting in this new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350. Okay, so now let's talk about the cargo capacity that you are getting in this new E350. With the rear seats up, you are getting about 350 liters of cargo capacity. I know it's not the most in this segment, but believe me, this is enough space if you are using the sedan for the daily driving. Now, with the rear seats down, first of all, to fold the seats, you have the button in the back. If you pull these buttons, the seats in the rear will go down. It has a 40-20-40 split. For the middle, you can push this. With the rear seats down, there is no official figure from Mercedes, but I believe you are getting about 800 to 850 liters of cargo capacity. Again, this is a really practical number if you are using this sedan for a move, which I believe most of you will not use this sedan for. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the tires that you are getting in this new 2026 E350. So if we talk about the tire sizes, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350 comes with a range of tire options depending on the package you choose. As a standard, it rides on 18 inches alloy wheels, which gives it a balance of comfort and efficiency. If you go for the sportier package, in that you are getting 20 inches alloy wheels, and for those who want the largest wheels, Mercedes also offers 21 inches alloy wheels. Now let's look at the design of this new 2026 E350. As you can see, it looks amazing. From the front, the E350 looks sharp and confident. You get the big Mercedes grille right in the middle with the 3-pointed star and those slim LED headlights, giving it a modern, almost aggressive look. The bumper has clean lines and sporty air intakes that makes the car look wider and more planted on the road. Move to the back and it's just as classy. The tailgates are slim and stretches across with the sleek LED pattern that really stands out at the night. You also get a subtle little lip on the trunk lid and sporty touches around the bumper, including dual exhaust design that adds to its presence. Overall, the E350 looks elegant, but it also has that sporty edge that makes it feel almost like an S-Class in its style. Now, let me tell you about the price that you have to pay for this new 2026 E350 to get it in your driveway. In US, the base model, which is E350 sedan, starts at around $63,900 US, and for the E350 4MATIC all-wheel drive version, you have to pay somewhere around $75,600 US, which include added features as well. And in Canada, the base model, which is E350 4MATIC sedan, starts at around 75,500 Canadian dollars, and it can go up to 91,500 Canadian dollars with optional packages. Now let's step inside this new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350 and this is where it really feels like a mini S-Class. So let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm in the driving seat of this new 2026 E350. Okay, so first of all, if we take a look at the steering wheel, in this new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E350, it has a classic Mercedes, elegant, functional, and packed with a lot of technology. It's leather wrapped, designed to feel premium in the hands. On both sides, you have touch sensitive controls for everything, from your digital driver's display to the media navigation, so you can manage most functions without taking your hands off the steering wheel. You also get the heated steering wheel option for those cold weathers, and then you have your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You have the drive, reverse, or parking gear selector knob on the right side of the steering wheel, and on the left you have your indicators knob and your wiper controls. Just behind the steering wheel, right in front of the driver, you have got a fully digital instrumental cluster, sharp and customizable. You can choose between the different options. For example, I have this classic dial here. You can choose between different layouts. I have sporty layout or even a full screen navigation, as you can see. So you don't have to rotate your head to see the middle screen to check if you are going to the right path. You can easily see it just in front of you. In the center, there is a large vertical touchscreen that runs at the latest MBUX system. It's smooth, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The screen also controls the climate. As you can see, it has the navigation option here, and it has the settings option. This option helps you control all the car settings just at one place. And also, depending on the package, you can get this additional passenger display here, as you can see. So the person riding shotgun can manage media or navigation without disturbing the driver. Just below the steering wheel, you have this small panel here. You have your voice control. You can turn off the screen from this button. You have your fingerprint sensor, emergency stop button. You have your parking assist camera button here. You have a few quick access button on this panel. Below that, you have this big unit here. If you push this, you will see you have two cup holders here, one for the big bottle, one for the small. You have wireless key charging, and you have your wireless charging pad here for the phone. You also have two USB-C ports to put external phones on charge. If you don't want to use this and you want to hide this option, you have this option. You can hide this area altogether. Behind that, you have this armrest here. If you push this button, you have the storage inside the armrest. You have one USB-C port here inside the armrest as well. To close it, you just have to simply do this and the armrest will close. And this is the glove box that you get. Okay, so now I'm in the back seats of this mini S-Class. Technically, it's a E350, but it looks like a mini S-Class from inside as well. First of all, if you talk about the space, as you can see, I have more than enough legroom here and more than enough headroom as well. Considering this is a small sedan, I have more than enough legroom. The space that I have, it feels like I'm sitting in a big SUV. They designed it in such a way that the passenger in the rear seats still have more than enough space. For the seats, I have these leather wrapped seats with the design on the seats. The seats are pretty comfortable. I don't have any complaints with the seats. Also, this is not cheap, but the seats justify the price that you have to pay for this E350. If you talk about the color, you have this white sedan with the beige interior, which looks really premium. Now, if you talk about the features and the storage options, first of all, you have some storage here for your phone, and you have two USB-C ports down there. You have two AC vents with the air volume control knob in the middle, and you have this armrest. If you push this, you have this phone holder. Push it again, and you have two cup holders there as well. Then you have some storage pockets here behind the seats. You have this hover over panel with the door opening knob and the lock unlock button and the heated seat options on this panel. You have your windows controls here. You have this chrome touches inside the sedan with the white leather material on the door. For the speakers, you have this Burmester speakers. You have this panoramic sunroof here for the back seat passenger, which is also an add-on. Then you have this grabbing handle here with the reading lights. Okay, so that concludes my review for this new 2026 E350. If you want to check out the price, you can come to Mercedes-Benz Brampton and contact Pankaj. He'll let you know the price for this new 2026 E350. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more such car reviews like this. Hit that bell icon for the notifications. I'll see you in the next review. Goodbye for now.